Hey everybody, we are live at 8:38 p.m. Sorry for the delay on this one. Looks like it slipped through the cracks. Regardless, we're here now, and we are running a mini for Jason's brown hair Luke. I believe the top two win spots in the main. We only got 8 spots, so the odds are pretty sweet. I'm going to copy our list of 8 and take them over to random to find our winners. Paste them in here. We got 8 spots. Rad. Gonna roll the dice. Got to get a 5 or better for some sweet action. We got an 11, so we're in good shape. As we begin, good luck, guys. Here we go. Matthew takes round 1. Greg 2. Dan in the top spot for round 3. Greg 4. Greg 5. Dan in round 6 with number 2. Greg round 7. Dan round 8. Greg in the top 2 spots for round 9. Matthew takes the next to last round, round 10, with number 4, bringing us inevitably to the final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And our winner is, winners are Matthew and Chandler. Matthew and Chandler, here's the verification code. Make things legit. VQFTOQ is our verification code. Again, Matthew in at number 8 and Chandler in at number 5 are our top 2 finishers. Now that that's out of the way, we are done at 8:39. As you can see here, here, and here. One last time, here are our results. Matthew and Chandler, congratulations, fellas. We'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.